AFUL Performer 7 IEMs Review. 7 drivers, 1 mind-blowing experience. Planar plus balanced armature plus dynamic driver? Ever feel like your earphones are gaslighting you? You swear the bass was there yesterday, but now? Poof. Gone. The vocals sound like they're trapped in a shoebox. You keep swapping ear tips, EQing like a mad scientist, but nothing really hits right. Whether you're a music nerd chasing the perfect snare reverb or just someone trying to vibe to some lo-fi while avoiding existential dread, the daily disappointment of meh audio is real. Your premium buds? Overhyped plastic with marketing glitter. And it's driving you nuts. If you're tired of getting ghosted by your gear, buckle up. We're about to solve your sonic identity crisis. Welcome to the deep end of the IEM rabbit hole. You've probably been told flat is good or neutral equals natural, but let's be real, when you hit play, you want goosebumps, not a science project. Meanwhile, your current setup sounds like it's being filtered through a wet sock. Even worse? Every time you upgrade, it's either a step sideways or a leap into disappointment. The treble's harsh, the bass is bloated, the mids sound like someone's singing through a cardboard tube. Every track you should love ends up sounding like an MP3 from 2006. This is burnout by audio, death by 1,000 bad tunings. Enter the AFUL Performer 5 Plus 2 and Performer 7. These aren't just earphones, they're tiny sonic miracles wrapped in art. With 2 dynamic drivers, for balanced armatures, 1 planar driver, handcrafted Zen-inspired shells, and a 3D printed acoustic maze, they're engineered to make your eardrums weep, in a good way. You get bass that punches like a subwoofer, crystalline highs, and mids so textured, you'll hear your favorite artists breathing between lines. That micro-planar unit? Absolute treble wizardry. These things are tuned with obsessive precision, down to damping direction, impedance symmetry, and crossover tweaks that audiophile forums would write poems about. This is how you finally hear music as it was meant to be. The perks? Oh, we got 'em. Whether you're rocking a fancy DAC or just your phone, these IEMs are easy to drive, no amp fuss required. Traveling? You'll love the 9 noise isolating tips and sturdy leather case. Want to switch to wireless? Just pop on Bluetooth ear hooks. Audiophile snob or casual listener, doesn't matter. The Performer series simplifies your setup, boosts your focus, and elevates your everyday soundtrack. Want that front row at a secret gig vibe? You'll get it here. This isn't just gear, it's a daily upgrade to your soul. Tap that link and start the vibe session your ears deserve. But act fast, this isn't some mass-market mall earbud. The Performer series is getting gobbled up faster than a PS5 restock. Reviews are pouring in, audiophile Reddit's buzzing, and scalpers are already circling. This is boutique audio with limited drops, tuned to perfection and selling out globally. Thousands are already ditching their overpriced brands for AFUL's precise, handcrafted experience. Don't let FOMO win. Don't settle for just okay sound. You want your music to live and breathe again? This is it. Click now, grab your pair, and get ready to feel music in your bones. You've waited long enough.